Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off Opera browser notifications on your Android mobile device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And now that we are on here, you want to select the apps tile. Go ahead and select that. And then select where it says see all apps. And then scroll down and locate the Opera app, select it, and then select where it says notifications. If you want to enable notifications, you want to have this toggled over to the right. It should be lit up blue. If you want to conversely disable notifications, you can just click inside that oval one more time and that'll turn it off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.